Hello, friends. How are you today? Uh, Today, I'm gonna make a video regarding refrigeration HVAC red seal practice question, and this is a response from a comment from. Let me see here. Yeah, so a comment from Austin Svineson. Sorry for mispronouncing your name. He said, can you do a video similar to this, but the question is a termination out of a wall, which is 12 by 8-inch pipe. The pipe is 1 inch with 1/4 inch insulation. How many, sorry, the comment is being cut. How many pipes fit through this termination? And pipes is 1 inch away from all sides and be 1 inch away from each other. This was on my red seal and I couldn't wrap my head around it. Yeah, so that's a comment from Austin Svineson. So go back to the problem. So I made the problem which is similar to what um, Austin was requesting. So calculate how many 1/2 inch pipes with 1/4 inch thick insulations can fit into an 8-inch pipe sleeve installed to a termination wall that is 12 by 8 inch. Pipes need to be 1 inch away from all sides and 1 inch away from each other. So we need to analyze our given. We're given 1/2 inch pipe diameters. Thickness of insulations is 1/4 inch, and the diameter of the sleeve is 8 inch 8 inches. So the solution is we need to make an assumption here. The assumption is that pipes can be installed on top of each other, and then we will need to draw. So I made a drawing here. Okay, so this is the wall here, the 12 by 8 inch wall, and that right there is the sleeve looking at it at the front. So then I numbered the pipes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 being in the center. That's the wall, and so the pipe sleeve is the big circle right there, pipe sleeve. And then zooming in this pipe sleeve with 7 pipes inside it. This is the zoom version of the pipe sleeve. So we notice that 7 is in the center. The gaps between the pipes is 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch from 4 to the edge of the pipe sleeve is also 1 inch, all 1 inch, as is given from the problem. there, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. And in here, this is the pipe, 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch thick insulation. So the total distance is 1 inch, because 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 makes 1/2 inch. And so each circle here is 1 inch. So pipe number 1 is 1 inch altogether, including the insulations, and also as well as 7, 4, 2, 3, 5, and 6. So that's the basic description. 7 pipes of 1/2 inch diameter, 1/4 inch insulation, 1 inch away from each other. Yeah, so the best solution is to make a drawing so that it's easier to solve. So going back to the solution here, so that's our assumption, and we made a drawing, and that's the working formula. N is equal to D minus C minus 1 divided by quantity of D plus 2D, where N is equal to the number of pipes, which is the unknown, D sleeve diameter, D diameter of pipe, D thickness of insulation. Now the C is the clearance. So looking at the drawing, we see a clearance of 4 inches in the drawing. And this is for pipes 1, 7, and 4. So we look at the drawing once again. So the total clearance is 1 inch and 1 inch and 1 inch and 1 inch. We're just considering 1, 7, and 4 pipes number 1, 7, and 4 at this time. So 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So these pipes 1, 7, 4, they are along the diameter of the sleeve. So that is what is in consideration at this point. We see that there is 4 inches of clearance. So right there, see 4 inches clearance. And so we substitute the given to the formula. That's our working formula. Okay, so now N is equal to 8, the pipe sleeve diameter, minus 4, the clearance, minus 1, divided by 0.5, the pipe diameter, plus 2 times 0.25, the thickness of insulation. So N is equal to 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. And this is pipes 1, 7, and 4 in the drawing. Look at it again. So we calculated that we have 3, N is equal to 3, which is 1, 7, and 4. However, we made an assumption that we can put pipes on top of each other. So then we can add pipes 2, 3. Oops, low power, battery 5%. So we can put pipes 2, 3, and 5 and 6, making sure that they're all 1 inches away from each other and 1 inch away from the sleeve. So essentially a concentric arrangement with one pipe in the center. So so six pipes concentric and one in the middle makes it all 7 in total. So yeah, like I said, but from our assumption that we can put pipes on top of each other, we can add 4 more pipes, and these are pipes 2, 3, 5, and 6 as I have shown in the drawing. So the total number of pipes that can fit the sleeve, which is 8 inches, is n is equal to 3 plus 4. N is equal to 7 pipes. So this is based on our assumption. However, if we cannot put pipes on top of each other, the answer would be 3. Okay, so I hope this answers the question from Austin, and if you have more questions or comments, please put it down in the comment section below. So cheers, have a good one, and happy Red Seal reviewing. Good luck in all your exams. Thanks.